Okay, it's back to work for Echoheart production. I had a lot of fun doing the new TTS stuff for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, but I wanted to focus on the art inside the game. So I am working on finding out the proper resolutions and everything to create the billboards for in game. Let me show you what we're doing. I know that I'm working with a stylized Tokyo. I didn't create any of this stuff, but it is time to customize it. Remove the bikes, don't need stuff. So as you can see, there's a lot of signs everywhere. So we're trying to personalize it for Diggy. Diggy is right here. There she is. But I wanted to add this. And so why not create a huge poster of her for the environment? Because she's a good test for the billboards. And there she is again, small version. So then I can start making fake, how could I say this? I could start making fake posters for the game involving other Vroid characters that I have made, that other friends have made. And if we jump out of the play editor mode, we're not losing fidelity on the large images. And of course, we have low image quality on this one, and this one is because we're not using the correct one. So if I switch it over to, let's see, where is it? The billboard? Nope, that is too big. There we go. Okay. The reason why I had to switch it over, I made 3 different versions. So, because I created the what do you call it? I had to figure out exactly how the billboards would be lining up for dimension purposes. Like, is this a single image or an image scattered with multiples? The trick is that I'm running into is I'm dealing with something like this right here. It is this image, but only we're using this row of all the other signs. So when I do create multiple billboards, I'm going to have to use this one because it's tricky. Look at it. It's like 740 by 740. But of course, that's not it. So let's change this to right there. The reason why it's set to there is the tricky part that I had to deal with is create a 4K. Here, let's go and show you. I'm in VRM posing desktop, and then I had to create a 4K 1 by 1 for the billboards for each individual billboard, and then drop the 4K. Let me show you. Take the 4K, add the spacing of the billboard itself, and then add her. So if I need to trim her, I can do this. And this is going to be for future stuff right there. Let's take out that part. Let's take out that part. And then we're going to bring back the opacity so it doesn't clip through, especially on this side, so it doesn't clip through. And we'll save it. Big Diggy. Yep. So now this shares the same poster right here, and that would be the one on the furthest side. So if I put a new billboard image there in Photoshop and then created a material and then slap that on there, that would solve it. So it's really weird dealing with it. It's definitely a whole different world that I'm used to in Unity, Um, and this is actually the first time successfully I was able to put images into the and have it as the correct resolution, which is it's not tough to do, but I just got to figure out what I'm working with. All right, so this has just been a game dev blog from me to you on YouTube, and I hope to be making more YouTube shorts and TikToks and everything in between. So take care.